Today we're talking about external file bookmarks in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Those are files that are on your computer, or I suppose a network. As with any link to an external document, once you've created it, it isn't a good idea to move the linked document, because things will break. So do consider that before adding external file bookmarks. To add one of these, use the three-dot menu, or simply drag a file from your desktop. Obviously, different kinds of files will display differently. I have a few here. First, an image. Images are just images. You'll see the image. A Word document does something unusual. The text gets converted and displayed as a Scrivener document. A spreadsheet just gives you a link to the file. You don't see anything in the display. A voice file will give you the controls to play it, fast forward, etc. And an ebook, this is an EPUB, will once again just give you a link to open a file. Obviously there are other types of files you might want to bookmark, so you may need to experiment as to what you can do with them in Scrivener. Next time we'll be talking about the different options that become available once you add bookmarks.